Hold on. Halloween is almost here, and costumes are very expensive. To save money, most of the time I make costumes for my children. To make a Halloween costume, you need to pick the materials, prepare them, and then put the costume together. Do you have your costume ready? The materials are very important, and they need to be picked carefully. The things you need change based on the costume that was picked out. If the costume has a lot of physical parts, or if it's only made of fabric. If it needs fabric, you have to know what kind to buy. Some different types of fabric are leather, cotton, faux fur, spandex, and silk. Some costumes are made from stretch material, spandex. And for those costumes, you will not need a lot. For other costumes, you might need more fabric, like for fur or leather, because those fabrics do not stretch a lot. To know how much fabric to buy, a safe answer is 4 to 5 yards for an adult and 2 to 3 yards for a kid. Halloween costumes sometimes also have more items than the fabrics. Some costumes have accessories. Sometimes you need to look around the house to find things that you can use. You might have some things in the closet that you could use. You might have some things that can made from cardboard or foam. After buying or getting the materials you need to prepare everything, the second step, first, measuring is important. You have to measure the shoulders, the bust, the arms, the legs, the hips, and waist. You do this before cutting the fabric. You can also measure for accessories. For the fabric, a pattern outline is useful. Patterns are drawing on paper of all the parts that make up a shirt, pants, or anything else. For a shirt, the patterns will be the back, the sleeves, and the front. For pants, it will be the front, the back for each leg, the cuffs, and the pockets. You need to fold the fabric, and then pattern is the skirt front. After you do this, you can cut all the outlines, and now you have everything prepared. The third step is to put everything together. To sew the patterns together, you can sew by hand or a machine. For shirts, you have to sew front and back first, and then put the sleeves. The International Despin Society, who make a lot of costumes, say that after each step is the best if you iron the clothes. For pants, the same. You just put the pieces together one by one. And so, for the edges, to make sure the costume does not fray, you bend the fabric ends and so. For the accessories, you can draw a paper what you need to cut out for the form or cardboard or foam. Hot glue and tape work to put those parts together. After that is done, you paint if you needed to. Halloween can be very expensive, but making a costume at home with what you have or you buy them, the parts of it can be cheaper and fun for your children. Making a costume does not take a long time. Just getting the parts, preparing them, and putting everything together. Thank you.